Lot for sale. Ayan, malinis na guys. Lot for sale. 79 square meter. Complete title. Clean title. Ayan po. Located po sa Padilla, Barangay San Isidro, Antipolo City. Inner road po siya. Clean title po siya. Guys, any interested buyer, PM me, text or call. Yan po yung ating pong lot for sale. Malinis na po siya, oh. Nilinis ko kanina. Yan, oh. Kanina, masukal siya. Ngayon, malinis na siya, oh. Oh, yan. Malinis na guys. Yan. Lot for sale. Located at Padilla, Barangay San Isidro, Antipolo City. 79 square meter. Clean title po. Any interested buyers, PM me or text, call sa aking cellphone na nakalagay sa aking caption. Thank you for watching. Bye bye bye. God bless everyone.